Today, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Approach Z82. Before we begin, let's learn about the buttons on your Approach Z82. The up button will open the menu and can be used to scroll up through the menu options, while the down button is used to move down through the menus. It also doubles as the power button when held. Last, the bottom, larger button is used to select in the menus or used to range with the laser during a round of golf. In this video, we will refer to it as the ranging button. First, let's press the power button in the center to power on the Approach. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the language options. To select your language preference, press the ranging button. Select your desired distance measurement. Set your driver distance. The next two screens are tutorial pages that show how to use the Z82 on the course. The first shows how to focus the eyepiece using the diopter measurement. We recommend doing this outside while looking at an object 10 yards or more away. You can adjust it on the golf course at any time. Press any button to proceed. The last screen shows how to lock the Z82 onto a flag. Press any button to complete setup. Now your Approach Z82 is ready to use on the course. To start a round, select Play Golf. Once setup is completed, we recommend fully charging your Z82 before playing a round of golf. Additionally, you may want to pair your Approach with the Garmin Golf app. The Golf app will sync your scorecards, keep the software updated on the Approach Z82, and much more. To do this, you will need your Approach Z82 and your smartphone. For this video, we will be using an iPhone, but the process is similar on an Android phone or tablet. First, you will need to download the Garmin Golf app. Begin by navigating to the App Store. Then search for Garmin Golf. Find the Garmin Golf app and select Get to begin the download. Once the download is complete, launch the Garmin Golf app by selecting Open. Sign in with your Garmin account or create a new account to get started. Then follow the on-screen instructions to set up your smartphone. If the device list does not open automatically, touch More at the bottom of the screen to open the setting menu. If you're using an Android smartphone, touch the three bars at the top of the screen. Touch Garmin Devices from the menu. Then touch Add Device and select the Approach Z82 from the list. On your Approach Z82's main menu, scroll down and select Settings. Select Bluetooth and Pair. Now that your Approach is ready to pair, touch Start on the Garmin Golf app. Follow the on-screen instructions on both your device and smartphone to finish pairing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.